Taking the leap to offer paid tarot readings can feel nerve-wracking, especially if you're just starting out. So many people start by offering free readings as a way to safely get some more practice, but it's that moment that you consider asking for payment that you can get this rush of fear and self-doubt. But here is the truth. Honoring your time, your energy, and wisdom by asking for payment unlocks a whole new level of confidence. It's not just about money. It's actually about valuing your skills and the impact that you bring to others.
I remember my very first tarot reading on YouTube. I was so scared. I didn't know what to do. We do learn our chops along the way. So I was a little confident and I was scared, shaking in my boots, didn't know what to do. And I thought of Biddy Tarot and I went start and send and I threw it out there. And to look and know that I have a little mini tribe now, going from I was scared and I'm saying scared out of my mind to put that first video out there.
Putting yourself out there for the first time, it is terrifying. But here is the truth. When you push past that fear and you start trusting yourself, that is where the magic happens. Suddenly that leap feels less like a risk and more like a chance to shine. And growth really is about taking those chances, letting each experience teach you, and then discovering just how much you have to offer.
I never went to formal college or anything. So the idea of starting a business or starting something for myself, taking a hobby and making it something to give to the world is really scary. I think that was the most impactful for me. Even going out when I do a public reading or I go to an event, I get to focus on the fun stuff of what's my table gonna look like and this and that. All those things are really fun because now I'm not worried about oh my God, where do I begin? So before I even finished the program, it was already helping me get into this space. Being out there led to other doors.
And then I went to a Calico Ghost Town, which is a big place here in California. And my friend was like, they're having a Halloween event. They probably don't have a tarot reader. And I was like, no, it's cool. They're going to say no. It's fine. The me before the certification would have just no, let me go back into my little hole in my life. And for whatever reason, I started emailing them and then they said yes. And I was like, what am I doing to the day that I'm setting my booth up? So I jumped right into the deep end and it was the best experience.
We've all felt it, right? We've felt that doubt, that fear, wondering if we're really cut out for this whole tarot path. But the moment you decide to own who you are and to tap into that inner strength, everything changes. And it all begins by taking that leap, trusting that you have what it takes. So if you're feeling called to this path, I'd love to welcome you into the Biddy Tarot Certification Program.
Hey, if you loved this video, then make sure you check out this next video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.